Hello guys, this is Ricardo with Elite HVAC, and today we're here in beautiful Arrowhead, Colorado. We want to invite you to take a look at our latest mini split project that we did. So follow us so we can show you what we did. Our clients, Karen and Rick, were looking for a way to condition this beautiful home. So we proposed a two-zone system. Basically, it consists of two separate systems to condition the entire home with mini split ductless systems. The first system is going to be taking care of the great room area and the master. I want to show you what we did here in the great room. So we went ahead and installed a mini split right here to condition the great room, and we chose the wall mount mini split because there's really no space to do any ductwork around here, and it was the best solution. Follow me so I can show you what we did in the master. So we're in the master. For the master, we decided to do a wall mounted mini split head. This is going to help them sleep better at night, and it's going to keep the room a lot cooler and more comfortable for them. That concludes the first system of the home. Now follow me so I can show you the second system and the other rooms we did. So this mini split head here, it's part of the second system. This home has two condensers and a total of 7 indoor units, creating 7 comfort zones for Karen and Rick here. This room would be a guest room, and I want to show you the other rooms that we did. We're in the upper level. We have 3 indoor units or 3 zones here in the upper level, and we want to show them to you. Now I would like to show you the 2 separate condensers that are taking care of the 7 indoor unit or the 7 comfort zones. This is the condenser for the first system. This condenser is taking care of 5 indoor unit or 5 comfort zones. And as you guys can see, we decided to take care of Karen and Rick completely. So we hired a painter to come in and paint our concealment system for the copper pipes. And also we hired an electrician for them to come and take care of the electrical. That way they had a great experience, and their only worry was to be comfortable and cool this summer. Follow me so I can show you the second condenser that's taking care of the remaining 2 comfort zones. And as you guys can see, we have the painter here. He's taking care of the concealment system. If you look closely up high, that's the concealment system for the copper pipes. That's already painted. And if you look down here, they're still working on painting them. And they had to leave because it's raining. But I want to show you the second system. So this is the second condenser that's taking care of the great room and the master. It's doing 2 comfort zones. We have 2 wall-mounted units in this condenser. And as you guys can see, the line height is not painted yet, but as soon as the weather permits, our painter is gonna come back and finish painting this. That way Karen and Rick can enjoy a cool, comfortable summer.